Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can delete and then restore files on our SharePoint site. So let's say on your SharePoint site, someone had access to this folder and these files and they shouldn't have, and they decide to go in and they decide to delete the files. Why would they do that? But they decide to delete them. So all you got to do to delete them is you just have to come over to any one of these cells and then click on the little check mark here. And then once you do that, you'll see these different options appear at the top, and delete is one of them. There should also be a delete option under the ellipsis. So if you click on the ellipsis, there's a delete option there too. But this is usually the easiest way to delete files because you can do multiple files at the same time. But once they go ahead and delete it, it is gone. So you'd come in here, you'd be like, what the heck, man? There was files in here and now they're gone. So all you got to do is head over to the recycle bin. You should see it in the navigation, but in case you don't see it there, if you come over to the cogwheel for settings and go over to site contents, you should see the recycling bin up in the top right corner. And then once you click on that, it'll take you to all of the files that have been deleted. So these are all the files that have been deleted from our site. These are the two that we want to go ahead and restore. So we'll go ahead and click on the check mark there. Then you'll see restore up here in the top left, or we can decide to delete them. There are multiple stages of the recycling bin. You can see down here at the bottom to get to the second stage. So if you delete from here, it should add them to the second stage of the recycling bin. So once we click on restore, give it a second, and now it's done. And now if we come back over to employee roster, those two files are back that were deleted previously.